Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Is it recording now?
Yeah, it is. Thank you. All right, you
Okay,
guys.
so everybody keep all the bad words to yourself then. I feel like we're gonna be us. This is Pips and Hennessy, so look like it's making a nice bearish flag. Bitcoin is on the daily, so bam. Oh, wait for this MACD. Look like it's breaking down now though. Yeah, it's kind of dope. So oh, it's the big bearish flag. So it's look like it's trying to push up one more time. This right here would be my zone to sell. If I'm looking for a sell, to catch it, engulfing candle right here. Come back up, retest that top. So let the flag pull back to that zone right there. I'll make it green for y'all. So the green to me is the money zone. So kind of where I look for the flag to come back to. So everybody see that? Then you're looking for this. Here, I'll make it green. Cool? Bam. There you go. So it looks like it's going to push up one more time. Probably come up here. If it gets in this zone, look for that sell, that hard drop off.
Busy, I have a question.
What's up?
Why did you make that your, like, why did you use that candle to the left as your engulfing candles and not the two candles to the left of it?
Which one? This one?
Yep, you see that one? Okay, and then if you go to the left of that one, it's two other ones.
No, well, this is the one, the most recent engulfing candle. The whole meaning of the engulfing candle is, like, this is a structure right here. The whole meaning of the engulfing candle is momentum. You notice on a higher time frame, this right here was a breakdown. Look at that. Breakdown right there. Now look at his flag coming up correctly. Notice price is not aggressively coming back. Like that was an aggressive move down. This was an engulfing candle right here. Look at that. That's a big ass engulfing candle too. Notice how this candle is much bigger than this one. Huge. Look at that.
Right. Okay.
So the engulfing candle shows you price action and where it's going. That's all. That's all the engulfing candle does. Once you start seeing it, and then it's on every time frame. You can use that on every time frame. Notice when it came to this engulfing candle, notice how the momentum came down hard. I mean, that shit moved down nicely too. If I actually traded Bitcoin, I would have traded that. But yeah, it moved down hard. This was that full engulfing on the daily right here. This was that daily move. But notice how you go to the small time frames. They just help you see price action better. That's all the small time frames do. They just help you see what's going on right now. This is that whole retest. So okay. I'll wait for the retest on the daily, but you know. There you go. So you're gonna have that one. I'll send that mark up. But yeah, and it's simple. That's how you trade, you know? All we're doing is getting you at the best price, getting you in at the best price possible. That's it. And then we're just trying to help you capitalize on what to do. Give y'all that one too. All right. Who chatting? What they said? cool. So let's keep it moving. Yeah, it's actually a dope trade. CAD Swiss franc. Who want to trade this bullshit? I'm not finna mark it up. So no Swiss franc pairs. All they do is eat up some damn margin. All right, cool. Oh, dude, look at this trade. This trade actually played out. I didn't even trade this one though. Damn. This was my old markups. I said look for price, look for buy here. And guess what? We missed that whole move. Damn, there was so many moves happening though. Nice 200 pips almost. Hey, you can't catch them all. We tried to, but we can't. So trust me, I try to catch all the setups. Okay. Yeah. Right here. It's a nice zone. It's a nice zone of buyers. Right there. Okay. Kind of see this was a trend right here. There. That was a trend. Came down and made this like M-type formation. And we got a breakout. Pretty much. All of that was a breakout. So what we're waiting on right now is where is price going to go? Okay, right here. Go back to right here. Oh. Then look for yourself. Everybody understand that? I don't need to draw this part. I can take this part off. But you see the information it made? Broke out. Get a little flag now. Come back down.
What's your diagonal line going up to the right again? What is that again? The one on the bottom. The diagonal one.
Diagonal one.
Yeah, left. But it's going up to the right. Left. That one.
This one?
Your
This
trend
is
line?
this trend line. That was the trend. See how I respected this trend? Got up here, made this double top, broke through, pulling back to make a flag. Notice your MACD starting to come back. Now it's either gonna break down now, because that's an engulfing candle, but I hope the flag comes back up to here. But notice how it's breaking down. This was an engulfing candle right here. It did pull back to this zone. So it may be breaking down to continue down, but I hope the flag pulls back some more, because that would be a nice sell all the way back down. This is not a bad trade. This is actually a really good trade. So it's kind of what we're doing, but you're getting that MACD retest at the zero line right here. And notice how that engulfing candle lets you know kind of where things are going. I wanted to pull back here, but if it's breaking down, hell, take the sell. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Boom. Only 30 minutes, so I'll be watching that on the 15-minute to kind of catch that move. If that's the move you want to catch. That's actually gonna be a dope trade. All right, German 30. Ah, what is this one doing? All right, cool. Let's go to the 4 hour. Got a little breakout here. Notice how your MACD momentum was shifting. I got this one coming back down though. Go down to 30. See how I did this triple top type feature right here? Right here. Came up here, rejected, came back, not quite, came up to this zone. This right here is the zone. Came up here to the zone, rejected, came up, tipped the zone, rejected, came up, rejected again. So what I got is, and notice the engulfing candles. Like this right here is an engulfing candle. So that lets you know what? Y'all talk to me. Y'all tell me. No wrong answers. Y'all tell me what y'all see. Cause I'm not gonna be with you when you mark up your charts. You gonna be with you.
A reversal.
So what does this candle right here signify? Right here.
Momentum.
There you go.
Aggressive
There y'all go.
momentum.
That's aggressive momentum. Like look
by
at this.
by the sellers.
Right. There you go. So where's it? So where do you expect price to go?
Down.
Down.
There you go. Right. Yeah, y'all, boy. You know what? Y'all gonna be teaching the classes before long. All right. I will get rid of this right here. This is breaking down. This is breaking out. So what I would do is let that break out. Let that continue to break down. I got it coming all the way down there, but I'll do this. Let it break down. Let it give you a flag. Then break down again. I don't foresee it coming back up, but this is a neckline right here. Was on array that shit. Actually, this was the neckline right here. Perfect as neckline. You're right at the neckline right now. So it looks like it's aggressively going to break down, flag, retest the neckline to come back down. You see that? I need to put a note on here for y'all. Neckline. There you go. So that was the neckline. This is an engulfing candle.
But busy with the neckline, usually it's a head and shoulder. Where's the other shoulder?
Well, that's the thing. Sometimes the neckline is not really with it is with the head and shoulder mostly, but all the neckline is after, prices, this is a temporary level of support. You get it with double tops, triple tops, which this looks like a double top, not triple, because it came back up. This top just wasn't as high. But price will normally come here, go up, come here, go up. It's going to do that until it breaks down aggressive. And you'll know because it'll break down something like this. You'll get something like this breaking out that motherfucker. And that look like what it's trying to do now, because notice how when it's come down, was this come down aggressive or was it kind of like corrective?
More corrective.
More corrective.
See, right, it didn't come down aggressive. Now this shit right here was aggressive. Then it reversed. Then it came down. Then it reversed. Now this right here looks aggressive. It looks like it's gonna break this zone. And when price breaks a zone, it likes to retest that zone, the bottom of that zone, prior resistance becomes future support and vice versa. So when price breaks a zone, it'll break a zone, it'll stop, retest the zone on the bottom, then continue. So, yeah. And again, man, that's how you trade. The hardest part of it is just waiting for it to set up. You just gotta wait on it to get there. But these indices move so fast, you shouldn't have no problem. DXY, we got, okay, well, there we go. DXY is breaking down aggressively. Good. It was extra damn high. So on this, like, look at that. Like, these are aggressive moves. Well, right here, should wait for a flag. And then, you know, down. That's it. DXY. Boom. So we waiting for a flag. That means UJ and all of them are finna go down. So, all right. See what we got. Yeah. Fight that zone right there. So I would say right here. Now what is this? Is this a flag?
No.
No. Why not?
Looks like consolidation.
Why isn't this a flag?
Because it's almost the same length as the impulse. It's not.
Right.
Yeah.
It broke the pole, right? Now this probably would have been a flag to probably about right here. So you should have got your move up after here. Notice the MACD. Look at the MACD. Right here. That would have been your flag to continue. But notice what price did. Look at MACD. What it kept doing. You never got the retests. You got the retest, but you never got the impulse back up. And guess what? The flag broke this pole, so now this structure is what? Invalid. There's no flag. So what you do have, a bullish flag. Well, what you do have right now is you have this. See, it's like a little bearish flag right here. I see you getting this. Coming up, scaling up. For a move down. Engulfing candle right here. So I'll probably let it probably scale up. That's a nice bullish move. So let it come pull back to about right here. Then what you want that breakdown. Here. Then look for your buy. And why are we looking for a buy here?
Because it's at support.
Right.
Yeah, once it hits support, it's gonna go change direction.
Right, but notice what price did the last time it came here. Look left. The guy here, buy. That's it. That's what we're looking for a buy. When price got here the last time, buy. This must be an area of buyers. So, and notice what it gave you right here. What is this?
Descending channel.
There you go. Bam. So if you start to see something like that form right here, then you know that buy is coming. But if you see aggressive breakdown like that, you know, and it starts to break through the zone, you know another sell is coming. That's how you watch price action and momentum right there. So people always ask me, "Oh my God, how did you know price is going to turn around?" I said, "Well, price action told me." But that's the thing. You gotta. That's why we mark up these zones. You watch price at these zones and see what it gives you. Like it gave you this descending channel. Look perfectly to the zone of wicks. You could have caught this whole move. And on something like you're odd, this is a man, dude. Look at that shit. Damn. I'm kind of mad I fucking missed that move now. I mean, you put a standard lot on that. There you go. You would have had zero drawdown. If you'd have put a standard lot on that, how much money would you be up?
$7 grand.
$7 grand. There you go. Shit. Well, hey, motherfucker, I can take $7 grand in 18 days. I could probably go back to Vegas and win that $5 grand I lost in Caesar's Palace. So that's what I'm saying. Like, and some on Euro, I do. I mean, this pair move aggressive. Moves like GBP pairs do. That's why I like trading it, actually. This is one of my favorite pairs to trade. So if it give us that reversal pattern here, we know how to play this move. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, I wouldn't even worry about this sell. I'll more so look for this buy. One more sell down. I'll look to buy there.
So I noticed you didn't start from the weekly time frame as you normally do. Like when do you, like what determines if you want to look at a higher time frame or a lower time frame?
Actually, I did start from the weekly. I started from the weekly and daily, kind of see kind of what I saw. Remember, but we had that whole big whatever the fuck that was. That was all that. That was Trump fucking with the market in. So, I mean, I can't see nothing on the 4 hour. All you do is drill down until you see something that you can kind of identify. And notice price is coming down gracefully and correctively. Cool, nice. So I go down to the 1 hour. Then I'm like, okay, do I see anything? Then I go down to the 30 minute. Okay, I kind of see something now. Let me see 15. Okay, definitely got you. See something now that we can identify. And I mean, look at this on the 15. Dude, this shit's unheard of. 15-minute time frame, you catching damn 700 pips. Like, used to be a time you would catch something like that on the 4 hour daily. These markets moving now. So
That was also 700 pips in less than a day.
right, less than a day. Oh, is that my boy Pete?
Yeah,
Yeah, Pete, what's up, dog?
was good.
Pete just hey y'all say hello to Pete. Pete just joined the money team over here.
Hey, Pete.
Hello.
Pete said he's trying to get paid. Pete already has knowledge of the market though, so that's good. I mean, listen, if you just actually wait for that to set up and if this move plays out, dude, that more than makes your money right there. Y'all don't realize, man, like I only traded like 3 pairs last week and I increased my account by 67%. And I was done. You don't need all the setups. All you need is just the right one. Just wait for it to play out. And there's so many moves happening. Okay. You're a cat. Let's see what we say. Okay. I'm going to take that off. This was the trend. Right there. Take that off. Dude, this shit looks like Whipsaw, hacksaw effect. Right now, that's on a weekly, daily. A lot of damn gaps in that motherfucker. It's a large impulse. Drill down. Right now, I see a lot of damn consolidation, a lot of chop out here. Has some chop, chop, chop. See, this is the type of pair right here, them type of moves right here, or you blow your damn account fucking around with this right here. And nobody's trying to do that, right? Trying to predict where price is going to go. So, hell, this type of move right here, this type of shit right here, that'll have you blowing your shit. Okay. Right. Right there. This is an impulse right here, strong impulse too, on the weekly. Looks like it's making some type of bullish flag on the weekly actually. So, that was a strong ass impulse. Notice how your MACD, what is it doing?
It was building, but then it started losing momentum.
Right, but what is it doing? Is it coming down jaggedly or is it coming down correctly?
Correctly.
There you go. So now y'all know. That's what I said. Y'all know it now. Y'all
It's
saying
coming down smooth.
that's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to come down slow. It's supposed to come down gracefully. So let the flag pull back to right here before you buy. It's like a bullish flag forming for a buy. We're gonna wait for the retest. Wait for 0, 1. Wait for 0 line retests. Now you know how to play this move. So that's a good zone right there. Something like that. Probably hit that top again. Look like it'll probably come down, make an M to retest that top again. You get shit to get up here, which will probably be sometime this week. Look for a sell right here, probably. But right now, you're getting a bullish flag for a buy. So, and I mean, that right there is like, damn. I mean, that's a good fucking buy, too. Shit. That's on the daily, so that's what I'm saying. That's going to take some time, but 1,000 pips. I mean, who's going to be mad at that? Not me. So that's what I got for that one. Notice that's on the daily time frame. Hey man, hey Pete, you got to tell people how you enjoying the team, bro. Pete found me on Instagram.
Yeah, I found Busy off Instagram, and after like weeks of following him, and every time he'd post the pip count for the week, I'm like, all right, I gotta be a part of this team.
There you go, there you go. Come on, Deweese. Euro Chef, y'all want me to mark this up? Anybody trade Swiss franc pairs in here?
Well, according to you, you say no, so I'm thinking we shouldn't be, even though I had no.
It's just the fact that these shits move so damn slow. Like, they margin eaters. That is it. Like, I mean, I'm like, dude. If you train Swiss franc pairs, that's probably why you blowing accounts. Them shits move so damn slow. I mean, Swiss franc pairs are like, ugh. Euro GBP? Oh, okay, dog. It's breaking down nicely, super nicely. So right now, support right here. Looks like all the prices are now starting to come back after that big whatever fucking breakout we had. Trump was around here, the world was around here, moving the markets. Look like they're all starting to come back down. Things are starting to return back to normal. So this is a breakout right here. Go to the 4 hour. It's a breakout right here. Go to the 1 hour. So all you doing is go wait. All you're gonna do is wait for a flag. So there. What's that in the chat? How I figure out the best pair to trade. I mean, honestly, you see my setup over here, my watch list. Like I taught y'all how to set up on the call the other night. I just scroll through here to see which one's setting up. That's it. So let the flag pull back to about right here. That's the engulfing zone. Let it pull back to there. So you'll probably get that pull back, something like that. Wait for that MACD to come up, retest that 0 line, and then take that sell. This is actually a good, easy, nice trade right here. You're gonna keep it going, keep going down. That's it. That's a nice trade right there. Make that one red. But nah, Cheryl, that's all I do. That's literally all I do. You know, if everybody wants a game, everybody wants a secret sauce. There you go. Most of it is waiting. All right. Wait for the MACD to retest the 0 line. Wait for the flag to pull back here. Like, look, man, I typed this so much my MacBook Pro is like, oh, I'm gonna help you out, bitch. I know what you're trying to say. I swear I do this shit like every day. Drives my wife insane. She's like, what are you doing now? I'm like, some charting. She's like, oh, again? I'm like, yep. I mean, Euro GBP is a demon pair. I know Edge don't like to trade that shit. I mean, but that actually is a sweet setup. So EJ, and EJ was the fucking trade boy. Okay, EJ was that trade. So I see this right here. No, I don't want to use that. Let me use something else. Teach y'all a little something about this right here. Where is? Oh, we go. This right here, little consolidation. Right there. Actually, right there. That's the consolidation right there. Price was in this consolidation. Price broke out. So you got this breakout. Got this breakout. You got this flag. That was breakout. Basically, all of this in the triangle was consolidation. This right here was a nice area of support. When you got the breakout, this is actually called the harmonic trap. So you got a breakout, you got a flag right here. Notice how price came back to this support. Right there. And now notice how your momentum is shifting up on your MACD. What you're getting right now is another breakout. This was our consolidation. So you could have bought from right here, but now you got breakout flag continuation. This is actually, like I said, called the harmonic trap. So we tested. So you're getting a buy up for right come back now. So notice on the 4 hour, price came down, but look at your momentum. So you're getting that one buy up. I mean, the breakout already happening. So I'll probably, I mean, you want to catch that 200 pips, cool. I'll probably watch price here because notice on the higher time frame where we're at, we're in this descending type wedge pattern. And notice when price got here, it broke up. Price got here, broke up. It's making a flag for one more move down. Then it's probably gonna break out. So got that going on right now. And you're gonna get this probably. Then we're gonna get that big breakout. Or another move down. So I'm thinking we're gonna get that and the move down. So this probably take a little bit to play out. So right now you're getting a bullish flag for a buy. And notice, I'm glad I came to the time frame. Notice this. Notice these candles. What type of candle is this?
Engulfing.
There you go. Somebody, I'm talking about, what type of candle is this?
Correct.
Notice momentum. No, notice the momentum of your
No.
MACD. What is it doing now?
Oh, it's retesting.
Yep,
There
that
you
was the
go.
retest right there. So if you were gonna buy, notice how it came perfectly to this zone. And now the momentum is shifting up for a buy. And that's exactly how you trade, everybody. There you go. So I know, like, you know, everybody always says, oh, it sounds good when you say it, bitch, but when I do it on my own, I don't see that. Right?
Indeed.
But that's actually a good trade too. And that's on the 4 hour. Look at that. That's a nice trade. Boom. I like that one. Euro knock. Man, I was in a nice trade on Euro knock. That fucking spread was like 350 pips though. My Jesus. Like that shit ate up some margin. So y'all want me to mark this up? Anybody trade exotics on here? Anybody? Yes, no? Okay,
Not right
cool.
now.
Okay,
Haven't gotten to that
No.
point yet.
I mean, yeah. Okay, we moving on right along then. Yeah, like that spread on fucking Euro Not was like insane. I was like, damn, I'm up 700 pips, but the spread was like 350. So I was like, yeah, I ain't fucking with them exotics like that. I'm like, I could have caught one trade on US 30 and that would have been money. Per hour. Eh. As you see, I use these tools so much. TradingView was just so kind to put them in like this little thing that helped me out. Isn't TradingView awesome? All right, 1 hour. Mm. All right, cool. What's this right here? Right here.
Descending channel.
There you go. That's exactly what that is. I'm talking about, boy, y'all gonna be better than me soon. Y'all already are.
Well, I'm looking forward to that day.
Oh no,
Get
day's
close.
already here. Listen, y'all keep studying this stuff. Y'all keep looking at it. Y'all gonna be like, oh, okay, I got it. I know exactly. It's just like I tell people, when you know the moves and you know the patterns, you know how to play the stuff. So right now you're getting a bullish breakout. Bullish breakout is happening. So you're gonna see this come up. Wait for the MACD retest. So you're getting a bullish breakout. Wait for that retest to the 0 line. Flag for me for a buy. So right now your flag will probably come down to like, I don't even think the breakout's finish happening. Like the breakout is still going. So like, yo, if you get a flag, I'll probably watch the flag about right here. It's not exactly an engulfing candle, but it's a nice zone to get in. And I picked that zone because this right here, that was once a level of support. But notice how price broke through, resistance. Notice how price broke through that resistance. It'll probably come down to retest that resistance as support to continue. Everybody see that?
Yeah.
There you go. That's a good retest zone. So I'll put retests. Bam, right there. All right, there we go. Yeah, well, let me put my 0 line back on here so to help y'all out. So that right there is the 0 line. Or, fuck it. I kind of like it like that. So, cool. That happened. That's gonna be the trade too. So many good setups happening for next week, man. You know, y'all should be 10x counts. You. Oh, oh. Who was trading this one? That was a nice trade. Right now, that was a little downtrend. Broke out of here again, so it was on a little uptrend. That was a flag breakout. Right now, what you're looking for is a bullish flag. Go down to 30. Okay. Getting some divergence here. It'd probably come down to make the flag. So you got a breakout. What you want is you want a bullish flag. To form. So you want a bullish flag to form. I pull back to the trend line for another breakout. USD is getting weak, Euro is getting stronger. So that's a good trade too. Bullish flag. There you go. So GBP, all right. Here we go. Down to the GBP pairs. My favorite pairs to trade. Some of them. All right. Get it. All right, cool. Show line. Oh, yo. What is that right there?
Teacup.
That's right. Cup of Hennessy. Bam. That's what you got right there. And notice what you got.
This is Jay.
Made a cup of Hennessy. About right here. Did his thing. Bears engulfing. Making a handle right now. I would let price, you getting this type deal. Let price retest this top again. Then if it doesn't break this top, drop. Boom. About there. I mean, that drop right there. There you go. I mean, y'all got some insane ass moves coming up this week. So yeah, that teacup. So I'll probably put in a sell limit order right there. Watch this top. Notice what they gave us the last time. What is this right here? Right there. What's that?
Stunning channel.
There you go. It gave us the descending channel right into this teacup. Came back up, retested its top again. And now notice the momentum of the MACD. What is it doing?
Going down gracefully.
Right. So it's probably going to retest its top, then come down. Because notice this, right? Last time price was here, it came down aggressive. Look at that candle. What's this? Right here.
Bearish engulfing.
That's an engulfing candle, right? That's what launched this whole downtrend. So we're expecting that same thing to happen. Put watch price here. So if we start to get that ascending type channel pattern again, or if it doesn't break that top, take the sell. I think the sell is safe. And then look, you're starting to get some divergence on your MACD anyway. So what was that, GA? GCAD. This was actually a sweet ass setup. I know we caught this shit for a little bit last week. I think I did. I caught some of this. That's what it was. Broke out of here. I got you. Price coming up here. Let me see what we got going on. Looks like it made its double top. Boom. What is this? Right here.
Engulfing.
There you go. Is your name Rita or Rita?
It's Rita.
Oh, okay, Rita. I don't know why I've been calling you Rita this whole time.
Because that's what it looks like. But it's a part of my full name, so that's a story for another day.
She a Rita. Ride or die right there. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, notice this. This is the neckline right here. Notice this aggressive candle. That's an aggressive candle, so I'm pretty sure momentum is still going to start to shift down. Like that should let you know that price is rejecting to come down. That's actually a nice trade too. So I only did mark net 9, so I would say watch price here. Watch price to at least right here, but I think price is probably gonna start to shift back down. So probably about right there. I mean, I know something like GCAD. That's a nice 600 right there. You talking about that's some good money right there, dude. I mean, if y'all just focus on EA and the rest of the GVP pairs, y'all might be straight. G Swissy. Okay, boom. That's what I got. Yo, that's what we got right here. What is this?
Bearish flag.
That's right. It pulled back into this zone. Look at the weekly and monthly. Look, price has never been this low before. This is uncharted territory. Price has never been this low. Making new lows out here. This is crazy. Price has never been this low. So literally making a bearish flag. Let it pull back. You can probably buy this up. I would let it pull back to about, that's an engulfing candle right there. Right there would have been good. So I'll probably watch price here to see what it does. Looks like it's starting to pull back now. Momentum is high. So I'll probably wait for it to probably pull back to here. It probably teacup because momentum is shooting up on this one. So let price pull back to about right here. Let it teacup. Ain't ready just yet. You could probably buy it up. If it pulls back, start to buy it up. But yeah, this ain't quite ready just yet. But this is actually a nice trade too. So let price pull back. There we go. I'll put
Hey, Busy. So I guess what makes you think it's going to pull all the way back there when if you went down to the 4 hour, it was right at a bearish engulfing zone.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like momentum is on the daily. The higher time frame momentum, the higher time frame reigns supreme. To me, like this momentum is coming up hard. Look at that breakout. That's a hard pullback. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So like, notice how it's coming up corrective, but look at that aggressive move out. Let me go to the weekly. You see that? Engulfing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming up aggressive. And for it to get to the weekly, it's got to go through all the time frames. So I'm assuming right here, it'd probably teacup, come back, because this is an engulfing on the daily right here. So as high as it goes, cool. That's good for us. So you could probably correctively trade this. It'll probably pull back here, shoot out again, pull back here, shoot out again, pull back, all the way back up. And I know some people that trade that. They trade it like that. So I would let price pull all the way back. I mean, there's so many great setups. I ain't really worried about this one. I'll let this one play out. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that was such a hard breakout. So Oh man, Pete, you good at this. How long you been trading?
I'd say about 6 months.
Oh man. Pete's been studying his stuff. Okay. GJ, my favorite go-to pair. This pair never lets me down. Like, she loyal in the paint with me. She been with me through thick and thin. This pair right here is my go-to right here when I'm trying to make some money. Now, notice on the weekly, price is pulling out hard. So I think weekly engulfing candle. So get rid of that. Get rid of that. So now we just kind of drill down to see what we see. Now that we see this weekly engulfing candle, let's go down to the daily. What we see? Okay. What do you see this as?
A bearish flag.
Right. Looks like it's forming a bearish flag. So right now, we want to kind of let price pull back. And notice it's coming up aggressive. It's coming out. So let that retest to the zero line. Look at the 4 hour. And I will say this on the daily. Actually, this would be an engulfing candle right here on the daily. Kind of there now. I will watch this one. This is probably because it could come up here, break back down to come back up. So watch price in this zone. Right now, it would give us a pattern to let us know it was going to reverse. So let's go down, see if we see anything reversal wise. Because notice what price did when it was here before. This is on the hour. Came down. Where we back at? Look, we're back in this zone. For it to what?
Reverse.
There you
Come back
go.
down.
So this right here was that engulfing candle. Right here. That right there. So notice what price did when it got in the zone before. It did this whole consolidation type piece, then bam, break out to the downside. So let this pull back. This right here looks like a little breakout. So let it pull back. Let it pull up as high as it needs to. I would honestly watch price here. Or watch price right there. Bam. I ain't really need it.
Hey,
Watch price
Busy,
there. What's up?
if you go down to a smaller time frame, would that be an ascending channel, that little tip on the end?
Well, actually, that's a doji star. That's a key sign for reversal. So if I went down to like the 15-minute, 5-minute, you'll start to see. Yep, looks like you got a little ascending channel here. So, but notice where it's pulling back to. Notice where we're at in this zone for it to reverse. So it's giving you an indication that it's going to reverse. So you're just trying to see how far it's going to go into the channel. So I'm gonna mark up the higher one first, then I'll give y'all that smaller one. So let this pull back. It's already in here. Let it pull back as far as you can. This is gonna be a nice trade. Right there. There. That's gonna be a nice trade. I'm going down to that 5 minute. And it's already giving you a pattern on what it's going to do. So this sell is coming. All we need is that breakdown. So you're starting to get it. And it's right in the zone. So just let it form, let it pull back. So it'll probably, to me, it'll probably fake out to that top, then come down. So I'll definitely be watching this one. That was GJ, GN. Right there, bam, price. Look at that, perfect example. Look how price faked out to that top and did what did it do? This was at one time a full blue candle. Then what happened?
Sellers took control.
Right, this was a fake out. Notice how price came up. One time this was a full blue candle. Then what happened? That was a fake out. It came back down. So I'm thinking GJ's gonna do that too. Notice it pulled back right perfectly to this engulfing candle. It's right here. It's in the engulfing zone. Right there. It pulled back right into that zone, came back down on the weekly. So what I see happening is it's like a little teacup right here, cup of Hennessy. This pair is so fucking choppy, boy. See that right here. Look at this right there. So come down, let it come up to here. If it respects that top, look for the sell. Back to here. And that's some chop, boy. Right there. Almost there, so that'll definitely be ready. Because notice what it did the last time it got here. What is this? Right here.
Ascending channel.
There you go. So again, man, I tell y'all, it's the same moves and over and over and over again. Market repeats itself. The hardest part is just catching them all. Like that. So, OGN. That's the hardest part. The hardest part is just catching them all. I mean, it's the same moves over and over, over and over and over and over. So, GU. So I actually caught this nice breakout a couple weeks ago. This one was paying. This one was paying good too. Y'all starting to pull back hard now. Now, look at this. Perfect example. What is this?
Impulsive move.
That's right. Is that a flag?
It is I would count it as a bearish flag, but
No.
why not?
Look how aggressive that move is out. That's an aggressive breakout. This was consolidation right here. See right here, you had consolidation
Mm-hmm.
with flat divergence. This is hidden divergence right here. Notice, look at your MACD. What was it doing?
Coming up.
Coming up. This was hidden divergence right there. So if you'd have bought right here and held, I actually did. I cashed out, but I should have just held that trade. That was a good trade too. But I had met my weekly goal, so I was cashing out. Damn, that was a good ass trade. You have flat divergence right here, literally. Price broke out.
That's a new term for me.
Huh?
That's a new term for me. I've never heard that before.
Yeah. Hidden divergence. See, those how prices keep hitting the zone, but your MACD is crossing up. You got that breakout, you got a retest to the top of this zone perfectly. Continuation. So it'll probably teacup and come back down. But for right now, these are all aggressive moves up. I could potentially see it coming up here to reverse around. Let Matt, the momentum starting to shift down a little bit. That's like an ascending channel on the 5-minute right here. Little ascending channel. You got right here. It'll probably come down to see, getting the engulfing candle. So it'll probably come back down to here. Heavy divergence. Ascending channel. So it'll probably come back down. To about right here. It's a nice zone. Let it pull back. If it breaks this zone, the next zone is here. So this zone right here, anywhere within this zone, let it pull back. So that's what I see kind of for that one. And notice you're getting this engulfing candle. So not a bad. So it'll probably, yeah, I got it breaking down. Nice 300 pip move. I like that. So again, notice again, what is this?
Hidden divergence.
Right. That's hidden
Because the MACD
divergence.
is moving, but it doesn't show any movement really.
So this consolidation, MACD is moving. That's hidden divergence. Coming down. Bam. So I like that. That's a good trade too. All the GBP bears be paying out, so them joints be paying out real good. NZD CAD. This. Oh. Let's see what we got. Scroll on it. All right. It's right here. Looks like a bullish breakout. Oh, that's what that is. Okay. So it's like a bullish breakout right here. Like the MACD retests. For a buy. So let the MACD retest, let it pull up. Here we go. All right. Wait for the retest. That's a good one. What was that NZD CAD? Boom. NJ. Yeah, guys. Sorry, this is taking me so long. I'm actually marking up all fresh new charts for you guys because I want you guys to see exactly how I mark up charts. So I'm actually clearing all my drawings off and making new ones right before your eyes. So y'all seeing
We don't
exactly,
mind.
y'all seeing exactly how I do it. Let me have all my stuff said. I'm like, okay, snap, snap, snap. Okay, done. But nah, I do fresh new markups, doing fresh new markups for you guys. What is this right here? Say that again.
It looks like the buyer.
Right, that's a breakout. Look at
Yeah,
that breakout.
buyers came in.
Right, buyers came in, took it over, breakout. That's the thing. So buyers came in, broke out, made a bullish flag, came down, did this little consolidation piece, broke out again. It's like this channel type deal. What we getting right here looks like a little ascending channel. Looks like it's struggling to break this top right here. Like it's struggling to break that. So you're getting an ascending channel right here for sell. So this is probably gonna let it pull back as high to this green line as possible and look for the sell. If you want to trade this one. So Price got right here before, reverse. Price got right back here again. Did his T cut, reverse. Price is making you an ascending channel. Third time. That momentum shifted down on the MACD. So it's going to be a nice reversal. Mark up this is a little zone right here. This is definitely a zone right here. Uh-oh. Yeah. So I would definitely look for that right there. So one more push up. Hopefully, look like it's coming back down. One more push up. Sell it as high as possible. You want to trade that. Right. So, yeah. No. What was that? That was NJ? Yeah. And you? So all of them about to reverse, giving ascending channels over here. So everything's about to come down. All right. Let price pull back to here. This is an engulfing candle too. It already broke that one. Let price pull back to here. This zone for the sell. So right here. And notice what you got right here. You got that big move down. So let price scale up. Let it scale up into the zone. So it'll probably weave up. Then when it gets here, look for the big move down. So right now, see if I'm getting let it pull back to this trend line right here, and like so. So for the week, that's what I kind of see, like so. So that's a good one right there too. That was NU. US 30. Favorite little pair right here. US 30, my favorite. So what I see here was price came up. Price did this bearish engulfing. They try to make a double top, broke down, retested, come back down. Notice what that is. Look at that. That's what I'm saying. That's an engulfing candle. Look at that. I'm talking about price came right to this top. It made like this head and shoulder. Came down, retested. Now it's coming back down. So wait for a bearish flag on this, or this will probably keep going down. Wait for a bearish flag, then sell. I mean, that move right there alone will make your week, your month, probably like your year right there. So sell to probably about, all right, boom. I mean, just that move right there is like 8,000 pips. But momentum's gonna keep going down though. That's a nice engulfing candle. Sort of like that. That's the bearish flag. Came back up, down, wait for bearish flag, then sell. All right. UCAT. Something like that. Nice little support right here. I see for this one is breaking out. So wait for a bearish flag, wait for it to pull back here, then sell.
And busy with something like this, you can just kind of set an alert that shows that this trend line is about to approach the other one.
Yeah,
And then
so
you can hop
definitely.
on and kind of see what's going on and then sell.
Yeah, definitely. So US Swissy. Hey, this is a good trade too, though. I mean, I don't know trade Swiss franc pairs, but this is a good trade too. Invalid structure right now. Okay, this is dope. So same thing right here. Wait for a bearish flag, probably about right here. Then sell. That one's textbook right there. So there we go. So in the 1 hour. UJ. You know what? I'm kind of mad because I was waiting on UJ too. I mean, UJ was breaking down. This was a nice trade. Ain't over yet. Still going down. That was a nice trade. I was waiting on that one too. I mean, it came up perfectly teacups, ascending channel, broke out nicely. So all we're gonna do is continue to get flags. So this is momentum shifting down. Right now, this is the impulse. All of that's impulse on the 4 hour. What you need to wait for is the MACD to start to turn so it can retest. So 4 hour. Wait for a flag. Wait for a flag to pull back. Hopefully retest that top again. That'd be a dope sell. So I'm going on to the 1 hour. So wait for a bearish flag, then sell. So they come for retest that 0 line. So if it breaks out of here, the next engulfing zone probably be about right here. The price pull back to about right here. Then sell. Boom. So that. Where was that? Oh, UJ. That's a good trade too. You Mexican? Oh, okay. We all know what this is, right?
Looks like a bearish flag.
There you go. So you getting good at this. Like I said, y'all gonna be teaching these classes before long. Bam, right there. That's a good sell too. It's just that, man, these damn exotics eat up some damn margin, bro. I swear. Like, that damn spread on the exotics be so damn high. Actually, it's ready to sell now. Look at that MACD retest. Perfect flag. Just that you can stand that margin being ate up. That's a good trade. I was trading United States Singapore dollar. This is actually a really slow moving exotic. It doesn't move as aggressive, but it trends very well. So I won't mark it up, but anybody that's thinking about trading it, it's a good pair to trade. UZAR. Okay. UZAR made a head and shoulder. That was the neckline. Came up and made a right shoulder. Pulled out of that. Now what is this? Right here.
Ending channel.
There you go. Boom. Ascending channel. Right back into this zone too. That's crazy. So, bam. So I'll probably trade at it right there. Right here. That's all. Getting some divergence forming. That's a good trade. User. All right. Oil. Everybody's talking about this oil. Let's get this oil money. Right now they're getting out of that price war, so that's what's up. Marked this up earlier actually. So right now you're getting a little bullish flag. You're getting a breakout for a buy to right here. Hopefully this is not the buy because, but I mean, look at this. Look at this divergence on the 1 hour. This what type of divergence is this? This is hidden divergence. Our price is flat, keeps retesting this zone. It won't break below 20. I think it's gonna come down to retest one more time, but notice, hopefully it does, but notice this. What is this? This right here.
Bullish engulfing.
There you go.
Mhm.
So it may not come down to retest anymore. It may be done retesting the zone. Because notice the last bullish engulfing you got, actually you haven't got one to this area. That's not an engulfing. That's not an engulfing. This is. Price may be ready to make the move back up. So the bull pennant for a buy. Right there. That's good. That's a good trade. Anybody likes trading oil? I will watch price here, but that's a good trade. Silver. What is this? Everybody should know what this is by now.
Ascending channel.
There you go. So let's get ready to reverse. To come back down. Right about, there you go. Heavy divergence too. That's actually gonna be a really good trade. That's a good one. Gold doing the same exact thing. No, these are my old notes. Bullish flat for a buy. You'll notice, look at that buy. I actually do not trade gold or silver, but that would have been a nice freaking buy. And notice where you're at. Last time price came here, it came down. We're back there again. So back in the zone again, you're getting in the ascending channel in this zone. So, you know, that sell is going to be extra dope. So from the top. So this from the top, right back down. That's gonna be a nice sell too. I might actually mess with that one. There we go. And that is it. We are done. That's the end.
Thank you.
So team, man, what y'all think? Appreciate y'all for bearing with me.
Big thank you. Whew.
Yes, thank you.
So y'all know how to make these moves. So what y'all favorite pairs is for next week? Y'all holler at me. What are y'all favorite pairs?
The GBs is looking good.
Yeah, those do look good. Those look good to me too. So, all right. So y'all know how to play this now. So let's do it. So y'all have a good night.
Thanks a lot.
All right.
You too.
Thank
All
you.
right.